अर्जुन उवाच स्थाने ऋषिकेश तव प्रकृत्या जगत्प्रहस्यति अनुराजते च राक्षांसि भीतानि दिशो द्रवन्ति सर्वे नमस्यन्ति च सिद्धसङ्गः कस्मच्च तेन नमरेन्महात्मान् करीयसे ब्रह्मणोऽपि अधिकत्वे आनन्ददेवेश जगन्निवास त्वमक्षरं सदसत्तत्परं यत् त्वमादिदेव पुरुषः पुराणस्त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परं निदानं वेदासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूपा वायुर्यमोऽग्निर्वरुणः शशङ्का प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेऽस्तु सहस्रकृत्वा पुनश्च भूयोऽपि नमो नमस्ते नमः पुरस्तात् अथ पृष्ठतस्ते नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वत एव सर्वा आनन्तवीर्यामिता विक्रमस्त्वं सर्वं समाप्नोषि ततोऽसि सर्वा सखेति मत्वा प्रसवं यदुक्तं हे कृष्ण हे यादव हे सखेति अजानता महिमानं तदिदं माया प्रमादात् प्रणयेन वापि यच्चावः सर्तमसत्कृतोऽसि विहारसायासनभोजनेषु एको तवापि अच्युत तत्समक्षं तत्क्षमय ये त्वाम् अहम् अप्रमेयम् पितासि लोकस्य चराचरस्य त्वमस्य पूज्यश्च गुरुर्गरीयान् न त्वत्समोऽस्ति अव्याधिककुतन्यो लोका त्वयेऽपि अप्रतिम प्रभाव तस्मात् प्रणम्य प्रणिधाय कायं प्रसाद्य त्वाम् अहम् ईशमीड्यं पितेव पुत्रस्य सखेव सख्यो प्रिया प्रियायार्हसि देव सोदम् अदृष्टपूर्वं हृषितोऽस्मि दृष्ट्वा भयेन च प्रव्यथितं मनो मे तदेव मे दर्शय देवरूपं प्रसीद देवेश जगन्निवास किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रहस्तम् इच्छामि त्वं द्रष्टुमहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते।
हरे कृष्ण। Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 36th shloka. Arjuna said, O master of the senses, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. All this is rightly done. O great one, greater even than Brahma, you are the original creator. Why then should they not offer their respectful obeisances unto you? O limitless one, God of gods, refuge of the universe, you are the invincible source, the cause of all causes, transcendental to this material manifestation. You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything. You are all that is knowable. You are the supreme refuge above the material modes. O limitless form, this whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. You are air. You are the supreme controller. You are fire. You are water. And you are the moon. You are Brahma, the first living creature. And you are the great grandfather. I therefore offer my respectful obeisances unto you 1,000 times and again and yet again. Obeisances to you from the front, from behind, and from all sides. O unbounded power, you are the master of limitless might. You are all pervading, and thus you are everything. Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you. O Keshava, O Yadava, O my friend, not knowing your glories. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times, jesting as we relaxed, lay on the same bed, or sat or ate together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. O infallible one, please excuse me for all those offenses. You are the father of this complete cosmic manifestation, of the moving and the non-moving. You are its worshipable chief, the supreme spiritual master. No one is greater than you, nor can anyone be one with you. How then could there be anyone greater than you within the three worlds, O Lord of immeasurable power? You are the Supreme Lord, to be worshipped by every living being. Thus I fall down to offer you my respectful obeisances and ask your mercy. As a father tolerates the impudence of his son, a friend the impertinence of a friend, or a husband the familiarity of his wife, please tolerate the wrongs I may have done you. After seeing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I am gladdened, but at the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me and reveal again your form as the personal of Godhead, O Lord of Lords, O abode of the universe. O universal form, O thousand-armed Lord, I wish to see you in your four-handed form with helmeted head and with club, wheel, conch, and lotus flower in your hands. I long to see you in that form. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Jai Prashantru. Thank you very much. Nice. Wonderful. So maybe we'll. Okay. I'm not seeing anyone join. So we'll line by line, these 10 shlokas, I will explain carefully here now. Show the for 36 shloka. Display 36 shloka. We can go line by line. We can relish it really. Arjuna's prayers to Krishna. Arjuna uvacha sthane hrishikesha tava prakritya jagat praharshati anurajyate cha rakshamsi vitani disho dravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sangai. Sthane hrishikesha. Hrishikesha means, oh Krishna, you are the master of the senses. Hrishika. Hrishika means senses. Isha means master. Tava prakritya. You are so glorious and wonderful. Kirti, prakritya. Jagat praharshati anurajyate cha. Whole world becomes joyful by taking your holy names. Jagat praharshati. Whole Jagat becomes joyful. Harsha praharshati. Prakrishta rupen harshati. Iti praharshati. Anurajyate cha. And what happens for the demons? They will be fearful. Rakshamsi bitani disho dravanti. All the demons, they run away from you because they will be fearful of you. And but the devotees, they become so joyful. The whole world becomes joyful because you are Hrishikesha. By taking your holy names, by visiting your holy places, people become joyful. But only Rakshasas, demons, they will bitani disho dravanti. Sarve namasyanti siddha sangha. All the siddhas, all the perfected beings, they are offering their obeisances to you. So Arjuna is presenting his vision after seeing the universal form in this shloka. Oh Hrishikesha, there are devotees, they are becoming so joyful, they are paying obeisances to you. And the demons, they are fearful of seeing your form and they are running far away from that. This form is a universal form. Yes. 37. Kasmacha tena namarein mahatmam. Oh Krishna, you are the original creator, Mahatman, you are Supreme Lord. Gariyase Brahmanopi Adikarta. Even for Brahma also, even you are greater than Brahma also. Brahmanopi Adikarte. You are the Supreme Lord of even for Brahma, Shiva, Ganesha, Varuna, all the gods. Ananta Devesha, Deva Isha. You are the master. Oh Krishna, you are the master of all the Devas. Previously he mentioned Hrishikesha. Now in this shloka he is mentioning Devesha, the master of all the Devi Devatas. Jagan Nivasa. Jagan Nivasa here means all the Jagat, they take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Jagan Nivasa. Tvama Aksharam Sad Asat Tat Param Yat. So Krishna is above the Sat and Asat. Sat and Asat. In this world, there is a duality everywhere. Sat, Asat, black, white, night, day, all that. So Krishna is Param. He is even above the Sat and Asat. And Krishna is infallible Lord, Akshara. Because people in the world, everybody falls down at one point of time. But Krishna never falls down. He is Achyuta. Achyuta, Akshara. Yes. 38. See how Arjuna is systematically explaining his, how systematically is glorifying Krishna, how he is systematically praying to Krishna. 38. Tvam Adideva Purusha Puranas. Krishna, you are Adideva. You don't have any Adi, you don't have any source, but you are the source of all the Devas. You are the original Purusha. Everything is a Prakriti, should to be enjoyed by that Purusha. Purusha Puranas, in the Vedic literature, it is explained by you. It is explained by you. Purusha Purana. Purana doesn't mean that he became old. He is Navayavanam just. He is very, very young. Tvam Asya Vishwasya Param Nidanam. Nidanam means everything take shelter at his lotus feet again. Nidana means Krishna is a supreme refuge. If at all we have any problem, we should take shelter of Krishna. Because even Brahma, when he gets problems on universal level, he goes to Krishna. Oh, Krishna, please solve these problems. Brahma, he goes with the earth, Bhudevi, Shiva, Chandra, all the Devi Devatas, he takes to the Kshira Sagar. He prays to Krishna. So, Tvam Asya Vishwasya Param Nidan. Everyone in the Vishwa, they take shelter of your lotus feet. Vettasi Vedyam Chaparam Dhama. So, Krishna to be known from all the Vedic literature. Vedyam. Vettasi means, so Krishna to be known after all, reading all the Vedic literature. Param Chadama. Krishna has a supreme abode. Supreme abode. Tvaya Tatam Vishwam Ananta Rupa. Krishna, Tvaya Tatam Vishwam Ananta Rupa. Krishna has unlimited forms. Krishna has unlimited forms. Out of all these unlimited forms, Krishna is the supreme form. And in this universal form, Arjuna is saying this. Krishna has so many forms. That's why in 10th chapter, 9th chapter, 7th chapter, 10th chapter, 11th chapter, Krishna says, I'm this, I'm that, I'm this, I'm that. He says continuously. So Anantarupa, Krishna has unlimited forms. Sometimes he appears as Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, unlimited forms. Prabhupada one place he says, even the vegetables, plants, Krishna appears. He has his forms there also. Even mosquitoes also, there is Krishna's form. 39. Vayur Yamogdir Varna Shashanka Prajapatis Tvam Prapipitamahascha. So that's why he's telling. Anantarupa he said in 38. So now he's describing that in 39 and 40. Okay. Vayur Yamogdir. You are the Vayu. You are the air. You are the fire. You are the Agni, Yama, Agni. You are Varuna. You are the water. Shashanka. Yes. Moon. You are the moon. Prajapatis. You are the first living creature. Your Prapitamahascha. You are the great grandfather. Grandfather is Brahma. The great grandfather is Krishna. That's why Namo Namastestu Sahasrakritva. I am offering my obeisances to you. Namo Namastestu Sahasrakritva. So Punascha Bhuyopi Namo Namaste. Again and again. He's not satisfied offering one-time obeisances. He's not satisfied with one shloka praying to Krishna. Oh Krishna, you are amazing. No, he's describing the glorious nature of Krishna continuously, going ahead. Punascha Bhuyopi Namo Namaste. Again and again he's offering obeisances to Krishna. Shloka number 40. Namo Purastat Ata Preshtataste Namostute Sarvata Eva Sarva. Okay. So now he described Ananta Rupa in the 38. In the 39, he described at his limit, fire, you are Varuna, you are that. Now in 40, he see what he's telling. Namo Purastat Ata Prastataste. Your form is unbounded. So wonderful. Namostu Sarvata Eva Sarva. You are there. Be friend. Pura, Atha, Prista, you are there, front, you are there, back, you are there, right, left, all the sides you are there, Krishna. Namastestu Sarvata Eva Sarva. And all sides I'm paying my obeisances to you. See, that's how Arjuna is little confused what to pray in that. He said Anantarupa, he said in the Rishikesha, he said then Devesha, then he said Anantarupa, you have unlimited forms. Then he described a little bit, you are fire, you are Varuna. Then he is telling you are there everywhere. In all sides, you are not visible for me. That's why he says, Ananta Viryamita Vikramastvam. That's why you are limitless, mate. You are the master of the limitless. Vikramas, you are glorious. Sarvam samapnosi tatosi sarva. That's why I'm offering my obeisances to you. You are everything. That's why I'm offering obeisances to everywhere. That's how he ends up in 40 shloka. Then 41, 42, he says this. He's offering he has done some mistake. He is asking for excuse. Saketi matva prasabam yaduktam. Hey Krishna, hey Yadava, hey Saketi. Ajanata mahimanam tavedam maya. Not maya, it's maya pramad pranayena avapi. So Krishna, sorry, I didn't know your glories. Ajanata mahimanam. Not knowing your glories, ajanata mahimanam tavedam. Tava means yours, your glories, not knowing your glories. Saketi matva, I thought you were my friend. Saketi matva. Prasabam, I played jokes with you. Yaduktam, many times I have just casually dealt with you. I called you, hey Krishna, hey Yadava, hey Saketi, hey friend, hey Yadav, hey Krishna. I called you many times like that. So Maya Pramada. How I called you? There are two reasons, two ways he called. Sometimes Pramada, out of madness for Krishna. Out of madness for Krishna. Another way is Pramada is madness. Pranayen, out of love he called sometimes with Krishna. See how what is the relationship between Arjuna and Krishna here. It is not just a sister got married to Arjuna, so that's why Krishna had relation, or else Krishna's father's sister. Krishna's father is Vasudeva, Vasudeva's sister is Kunti. Kunti got married to Kunti's son is Arjuna. That's a relation. No, not just that much relationship. This relationship is so deep. So deep. Sakha, not only Sakha, out of sometimes he's mad for Krishna, sometimes he's pure love for Krishna he showed. He called like that. So Arjuna is explaining what has done before, not knowing the glories of Krishna. Ajanata mahimanam tavedam. That's why he's telling in the 42 shloka, he says, Yas chavahat satartam asat krutosi vihara sayyasana bhojanesh. He is describing more events, what all we have done. Sometimes we ate together and we slept on the same bed, we sat together, sometimes alone, sometimes in front of many friends. Sometimes we have spoken like this personally also, sometimes in front of many people also I have said something. Ekotavapi achyuta tat samaksham. Sometimes eka, sometimes samaksham, in the group of the people. Takshamaye, now he's asking this. Takshamaye tvam aham aprameyam. Please excuse me for all my mistakes. Arjuna is completely, in different mood is offering this praise. 41, 42, up to now, 36 to 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. He explained the glories of Krishna, wonderful form. 41, 42, he says, oh, I have done many mistakes, please excuse me. Takshamaksve, tvamaham prameyam. Now let's see what he says in 43. 43 says, Pitasi lokasya characharasya. Now again he's coming to the glories of Krishna. Oh Krishna, you are amazing. Pitasi lokasya characharasya. You are the Pita of all the lokas, whether it's moving or non-moving. Chara and achara. Tvama asya pujasya gurur gariyan. You are the worshipable personality. Tvama asya pujasya gurur gariyan. You are the gurur gariyan. You are the supreme father, supreme. Yes. That day we discussed this. So you are supreme father, you are supreme spiritual master. In the Rajasuya Yajna, this is proven. He is worshipable. He is the most worshipable of all the. There are so many great sages, rishis, munis, yogis in the assembly of Rajasuya Yajna. But Krishna was he was celebrated. He was celebrated as a worshipable personality there. That's why not tvat samosti atya abhyadika kutonyo. There is no one who's equal to you. There is no abhyadika. There is no sama to you. Not tvat samosti. No sama to you. There is no one who's equal to you. Na, that same na works for here also. Na, abhyadika. There is no one who is above you. Adhika, there is no one who is above you. Kutonya, there is nothing like that. Lokatrayopi apratima aprabhava. Prabhava. There is no one who can measure your energies. Apratima prabhava. So like that is again coming back to the giving the glories of Krishna. So these are the prayers by Arjuna. So we should learn many lessons from this. How one should pray to Krishna. I mean, if you go in front of Krishna, we should use all these descriptions that helps to understand the greatness of Krishna. At the same time, that helps us to absorb in Krishna, not just understand, absorb in Krishna, not just absorb, but we understand that how Arjuna offered his prayers. and we relish it. Understand, absorb and relish it. Let's see 44 shloka. There are total 46, 10 shloka, 36 to 46. 44. Tasmat pranamya pranidaya kayam prasadaye tvam aham ishamidhyam piteva putrasya sakheva sakhyu priya priyarhasi deva shodam. Krishna. Oh Krishna, tasmat, therefore, tasmat pranamya pranidaya kayam. You are worshipable by everyone. Pranidhaya. So I fall down. Prasadaye tvam aham ishamidhyam. I have fall down at your lotus feet and offering my obeisances to you and asking for your mercy. Prasad. Prasada means mercy. Prasada means mercy. Pranamya means offering. I'm offering my obeisances, pranamya, to you so that I can get your mercy. Prasad. Tvam aham ishamidhyam. Piteva. Why? Now, whatever I have did some mistakes, I have explained 41 and 42. Arjuna is telling. I'm speaking no, like just like Arjuna. So 41, 42, I explained my mistakes. I have explained all my mistakes. So just like please tolerate all the mistakes. Just like Piteva Putrasya, just like father tolerates the Putra mistakes, son mistakes. Sakheva Sakhyu, just like another friend, he tolerates other friend mistakes. Priya Rasi Deva Shodam, just like lover, means wife and husband here. Wife, just like husband, he tolerates the mistakes of wife. Similarly, oh Krishna, you should tolerate all my obeisances, all my mistakes. That's why tasmat pranamya, I'm offering my obeisances to you so that I can get your kripa prasadayi. 45. Adrushta purvam krushitosmi drishtva. Adrushta purvam. Now 45, 46, he's expressing now. Now, what is his feeling and what he wants? He's expressing 45, 46. So, Adrishta Purvam Drishtosmi Drishtva. Nobody has seen such a wonderful form up to now. Nobody has seen this universal form. I'm so happy, but at the same time, I'm little with the fear. Baye nacha pravyahitam manome. I have some fear in my heart. I have some fear in my heart. At the same time, I have pravyahitam manome. He said in the first line, he said, Harshit Rushito. I'm very happy to see that because Adrushtapuram, it was never shown to anyone before. Krishna himself says afterwards, I have not shown this form to anyone, Arjuna. I have not shown this form to anyone, he says. So, Adrushtapuram, this is a form you have not shown to anyone, Arjuna is saying. So, that's why I'm Rushito. I'm very, very happy. Harshit Rushito means. But at the same time, Bhayena, I have some fear in my heart. Manome. So he is presenting his feelings in front of Krishna. Tad eva me dashaya deva rupam. Oh Krishna, so this wonderful form, you have revealed deva rupam. Prasida devesha jagannivasa. Again, abode of universe. So please accept my humble obeisances to you. Bestow your grace unto me. In 45, he expressed his feelings and emotions. 46, he is making it clear. He says, Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam ichami tvam drashtumaham tateva. Ichami. I have a desire. What is the desire? Arjuna is telling. Kiritinam gadinam chakrahastam. I want to see that four-handed form holding Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Kiritinam, having a bedegal, diamond bedegal, Kirita, Gadinam Gada Chakra. Shankha Chakra Gada Padma, that's he is describing, and the four hands. Ichami, I have the desire to see that four-handed form from Dashtum Aham Tate. That's why please, Tane Teneva Rupena Chaturbhujena. Please show me that Chaturbhuja form. Sahasrabaho Bhava Vishwamurte. Now, I long to see that form of four-handed form. You are universal form. You are showing the universal form now. Sahasrabaho Vishwamurte, but now I want to see that four-handed form. So that's how Arjuna he stopped there. Then Krishna speaks from 47. Again, Arjuna speaks afterwards. So this is 36 to 46. This is Arjuna's prayer to Krishna, seeing the universal form. So that's how.
क्या story है?
So it's all prayers of Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Prashant. So if anybody has any questions or comments from 36 to 46, we can have it. I mean, unexpectedly, it all happened, 36 to 46. We got to cover it. We covered it nicely. Yes. Anybody has any questions, comments on this? So this is how we should pray to Krishna. We should pray to Krishna. First, we should glorify Krishna. Yes. And then we can present our situation to Krishna. We should ask for his mercy. Then the third stage is we can express our desire. Then Krishna, he does whatever is needed for us. Okay, that's how we should have. We should glorify Krishna. If you just prayers is not, prayers means is glorification of Krishna. If you want to please someone, you will glorify him. Your lover must be having experience. You will glorify him. You will glorify her or him. Oh, you are so nice. You are so beautiful. Nice. You speak very nice. Your hair is curly. Oh, nice. You may use many adjectives to glorify the person. But similarly, we should glorify Krishna by glorifying his glories, real glories. He is a real glorious person. So we should glorify. We should present our situation, what is going through, what we are going through right now at this stage. We should ask for his mercy. We should ask for his strength, spiritual strength, his blessings, and we can present our desire. Yes? So this is the way we should pray to Krishna. 36 to 46. Arjuna showed example for all of us. Okay, problems. Thank you very much. So next time, please join on time. Other devotees. Thank you very much. We'll end here. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.